Hey, Senior Seminar students, welcome to Senior Seminar Summer A. I am Professor Thielen, for those of you that don't know me, and I just wanted to give you a brief rundown of what we're going to be doing the next 6 weeks. So basically, you've signed up for a 6-week course in positive psychology with a focus on mindfulness. So the book that I've asked you guys to get is this handy dandy book here, Mindfulness for Beginners, and it should also have the CD in it. That's important as well because I'll be asking you to use the CD as part of your weekly assignments and exercises as well. So when you log into the course, you're going to notice when you click on syllabus that there are 2 syllabi for this class. One is for all of the mindfulness material and the material related to positive psychology. And the other syllabus is for all of the professional development things that you're going to be doing in here. So as of a couple of years ago, FIU mandated that all senior seminars have a professional development track, meaning that when you leave a senior seminar course, you have a portfolio to take with you. You have a resume, you have a cover letter if you're applying to for jobs. You also have a personal statement in the event that you are applying to grad school. You have a request for letters of recommendation, things like this. So that is also an important part of the class, but that is very separate from the positive psychology material. So every week you're going to be doing something for the positive psychology part of the course, and you're also going to be doing something for your professional development portfolio. And when you look at the syllabus, it's outlined pretty clearly. So when you look at the syllabus, you'll see that every week you will have weekly reflections, which come from this book. So you will be asked to read a certain number of pages in the book and then provide a 300-word reflection. And word count is important, so please don't jip the word count because that will cost you points. Things like grammar and spelling will also cost you points, so try to be mindful of that. And the other thing is you will have weekly homework exercises that are all related to the mindfulness component of this course. So you'll have to download the PDF file and you can either fill in the homework manually with paper and pen. If your software allows you to do it, you can also do it directly into the boxes on the computer. I'm not sure how that would work, but I know many of you guys are pretty tech savvy, so you can do it either way. Just remember that these are also comprehensive, and even though I don't have a minimum word count on this, the effort you put into it will determine the grade you receive for it. So if I feel like you're just kind of flying through and not really giving it a lot of thought, then that will affect the grade that you receive for those. The third assignment for the mindfulness and positive psychology component of the class will be an oral presentation. So towards the end of the 6 weeks, you're going to present like a 3 to 5 minute video that you will upload and only I will see. And you will talk about things that, you know, were significant for you in the class, things that you found interesting, maybe things you found difficult and challenging, things that maybe you're going to integrate in your everyday life, things like that. And we can talk more about that as the semester progresses. And then as far as the professional development piece is concerned, everything is pretty much outlined in the syllabus. So like I said, you'll be designing a resume. You will either do a cover letter or a personal statement. So it depends on whether you're planning on applying to graduate school right away or whether you are going to go into the world of work. So if you're going to go into the world of work, you would work on developing 2 cover letters, and if you're going to apply to graduate school, you would work on developing a personal statement. So, and then a couple of other exercises for the professional development portfolio. So I just wanted to clarify because a lot of people get confused why there's 2 syllabi for this class and whatnot. If there are any questions, obviously you guys can email me. That's the best way to get in touch with me. If you want to set up like a Zoom office hours, I'm open to that also. So I look forward to a great 6 weeks with all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you soon.